Welcome to qnawire.
Working with the binomial distribution, in this example, we're asked to find the mean, variance, and standard deviation in an example in which we're given that bad weather causes 25% of commercial airline accidents. Supposing that we have a randomly selected sample of 300, let's find each one of these. So let's first go ahead and denote the information that we do have. So what we do have here is it's that probability, which is equal to 25%. So we're told that 25% of commercial airline accidents occur during bad weather. So we can rewrite this in decimal form if we would like as 0.25. What we also know here is that because our sample size we were told is 300, we can say that n is equal to 300. And what this will allow us to do is to solve for each of these because we have formulas for the mean, variance, and standard deviation. So the formula for the mean is equal to n times p. So if we wanted to calculate that, we can just substitute these values in. So we have n, which is equal to 300, like we said. Multiplying that by p, which is 0.25, gives us a mean, which is equal to 75. Now, if we'd like to find the variance, similarly, we do have a formula for this one, which is equal to np times 1 minus p. Now, what we just did is we found np, that's just our mean. So we know that our mean is equal to 75 from what we found in the last piece. And now this just needs to get multiplied by 1 minus p, which we said is 0.25. If we multiply this out, what we find is that our variance is equal to 56.25. Now for standard deviation, what we know is that it's just the square root of our variance. And we just found that our variance is equal to 56.25, so if taking the square root of that gives us a standard deviation which is equal to 7.5.